Hi guys, welcome to Goza Designs channel. The series of the spiral staircase modeling using 3D, AutoCAD 3D, was actually sectioned into three videos. Is that right? And this was where we've gotten to. Because I did promise you a bonus, so to this video, in this video, we are going to cover the bonus app, okay? And the bonus is actually how to present this, for instance, to your client, your boss at work, or whatever it might be for visual purposes. Okay, so maybe you can get it in a PDF form, nicely presented. What we are going to do is we are going to make use of a layout. Remember, the goal is to get this printed. Maybe it could be a print PDF form, or maybe a sheet of A4, A3 sheets. So come here, you'll have to delete this. So let's say, for instance, I want to get this printed on A4, A3. So the size of A4 is enter 210 by 297. Is that right? That's the size of the. I will offset this by 5 mm. I want my drawing to be 5 mm away from the edges. By offsetting it, I can delete. I will set this text as a block. Till now, I have to scale this 0.4. I have to rotate landscape portrait form. That I can move them. Enter. Let it. Enter. Now you have to deactivate auto move complicated. Just go through gently, and then the desired result will be achieved. Is that right? To scale. Now I have to scale properly by using reference option scale. You watch this. I select it, scale. I pick this. Now I will have to ref ref on my keyboard. So I will specify this corner, the lower um, left corner, and then the upper right corner of my title block. Remember, this is the border of my title block. So let's say, for instance, if it is a professional title block, I will be having some other information here that contains the information of the designer, the information of the client, and the project name, blah blah, the date at which it was created, and so on. So maybe in some other videos, you will try to learn how to design a proper title block, a professional title block, of course. But for the sake of this video, just use border. So now here is my sheet. So I want to import my model here. So what do we do? Yes, want to make use of mview command. Mview command. So the shortcut is mv. I will try. Okay. When I double click in, now notice the difference. Now this is how it is. Okay. But when I double click in, the border becomes a line. So it means now I'm in a model space. So I can make any. Okay. I can zoom without zooming the outer. I don't know if you notice. I can only zoom, can only scale the model. Okay, model is here. And also turn it to desired. Let's say, for instance, you of just tap it, so I can just okay. Then I will double click outside and just like this. And I want another view again of the staircase, but on the same sheet, M view. Yeah. I will double click again. Then I can now use the spool command. I'll come out, I'll double click, then I have my display. For instance, set the two for presentation purposes. R, set that color. I'll change that color to be white. White. After print now, Control P, you know, drawing to PDF. Is that right? Set the appropriate format, A3, A4. I will be using A4, portrait, landscape. Come here, corner, corner. Is that right? But center my plot. My staircase nicely set. But there is something that I wanted to correct from the borderline so that our borderline can be up a little, so that our borderline. Moreover, I don't want lines to see the color. Usually, I normally use white, but this time round, matter have to arrange it nicely. How I present. So that is that. Let's say, for instance, I want to give some description. I want to make writings and some other things. Just click on leader. For instance, red. Remember, when you double click outside, now the model is locked. So you are not scaling the model. Is that right? Unlike when you double click here, the model is active. Then when you try to zoom, then you are scaling the model, and whatever indications that you make, that you have shifted the position. Make sure the staircase is like your model is at its final position before you start the labeling. Let's continue. Yeah, 38 there. It's 8. So let's say, for example, I want to write dia symbol of, instead of making it DIA like this. I don't want to do that. More professional. So write the symbol of diameter. Let's hit shift percentage. Then the symbol of diameter appears. We have so many of these shortcuts. For degree, it seems percentage for degree. So maybe in some upcoming videos, take a time and go through some of these shortcuts. For now, percentage for diameter 38, 8 mm, right? Try to but let's say, for come back to yeah, I have a 150. Yeah, 150. Yeah, 150 by 8 mm, right? Right. I can the diameter of the base plate is um mm. Nicely done. Control S. Just take a printout here form, and I can just save it on my desktop. Save and open. I can just share with some of my colleagues or my boss, my client, whatever that might be. Then that is all. Wait a minute. There is something part of this. Yeah, my borderline. I wanted to get rid of. Now it's okay. I will have to come back. I told you, so your model is at its final position labeling. Other than that, I might make a double work, a rework, wet it at all. Now I have my presentation all done. That is that. So if you have any other topic that you might want me to talk about, or you have any question or query, kindly put it in the comment section of this video. Or better still, you can also address it to gozadesigns@gmail.com. You can also address it, let's say, or I want to write the mail will also be in comment section. It will be in the comment section. Or better still, um, write a test, write a test DT, also a shortcut of a test, or MT, multi-line test, uh, at gmail.com. Property R, angle of rotation of the test, yo, okay. The height of the test, I can also find the height of the test here, or better still, I can just select it here and scale it 0.5. Here, the printout, now, like it is fine. Then you just hit OK, or here print, then it will be printed out. Okay, if that wasn't cool, that is that. Thank you so much for your attention, and this is the end of the bonus of the section of the series that we started, sending the modeling of a 3D spiral staircase AutoCAD. Thank you.